It's Friday the 27th of June, and today I'll be going to see this lamppost on Chingford Mount Road up there. That's getting worked on, and I think I filmed it last night at 10 o'clock because I came back from bus spotting in North Chingford and I saw it. So yeah, I'll be going there. Let's get into the video. I'm back at that lamppost. There's an update been on last night's situation. Well, this lamppost. Yesterday when I filmed it was lit at 10 o'clock. However, this part of it was more dug into the ground and it was like literally dug up. And the ground was a hole. Now they covered it with the cement. However, I think it's because it's one of these tall type of lampposts in the street there. A different company's working on this lamppost. Well, not the company Rennie working for us. Cheers. And it's also one of the high maintenance already not working on different companies really. They've still got the sign on it and stuff. It's also got these slabs. Also it looks like that one's broken, needs replacing if they're trying to fix it back together, I don't know. There's keys on that. Now they've used the red fence on the right for the normal the yellow fence. And sometimes it's I'll send you this last right, I want to read it then decide to. It says here, we are undergoing works in this area. Street lights. Thanks for your patience. Our work is due to complete by 02725. So basically it'll be completed by when it's the half term anyway. I'll probably get back because I've got my offer coming up. Telephone number EL 3006 886 0844. Danger of death. Or emergency telephone number 0800 7311 559. We are sorry for any inconvenience this may cause. UK Power Network delivering your... Oh, so that means UK Power deal with it. I can see more of an electricity problem. More of an electricity problem. Now, it's only on this particular lamppost. All the other lampposts are not really getting dealt with. And actually that part is the one where it's got sandwich, because that's all concrete wire because they put that underneath the pavement. But they only had to expose a little bit of the pavement because they had to for some sort of reason. They just had to. Like, it's exposed just because now they're covering it up. Well, slow trying to cover it up because they put an only deeper hole, but then they've covered it up a little bit more. I don't know if this is part of the lamppost, but still, this is related to the power network region. See? Oh, it's broken. It's on during the day. That's weird. It's also on during the day. Maybe they're trying to fix it because yesterday it was off. Check that out. This is broken out. Take this out anyway, this is also broken. Because they're fixing because it was broken on the head up there. It's not like a short one because we're down the road on the side. It's actually on the bigger side. Now, they haven't put the sign down on that side, but they do have this thing called Mix 6 2022 or 5, whatever. Refuse and trade waste bag collection. And that's the sign, which is, I need to look about that. This area is controlled by public spaces, projections or protection order. Now that's UK Power Network. That's UK Power Network and it's got the sign on it. Now they've put sandbags on it, so obviously this fence doesn't fly away because it's floppy. Nothing else. It's floppy, and it would fall down. Got that hole down there. How many slams of these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I think that's 20. Let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I'll say they've removed apparently. I think this is the correct number, but they've removed about 22 slabs from there. So yeah, there's not really much I can say about this. But yeah, it's good Grimace. Signing off. Bye.